Okay, today we continue with the sum cross product to factor a quadratic trinomial in the format of ax squared plus bx plus c. Let us review this one. Suppose we want to factor this. Okay, anytime you can post your film, okay, post this film, and then you try yourself. Okay, get a pencil, try yourself. Okay, this one you should factor 2 out. So 15x squared minus 7x minus 2. Before you kick out the greatest common factor, you shouldn't start. Then you put a cross down here. The 2 and the 15, which one is easier? 2 is easier. So you break down the 2 into 1 and 2. Step 1. Step 2, you break down the 15 into, it won't be 1 and 15 or 15 and 1. It should be 3 and 5. But if 3 here, 5 here, 6, the cross product, you sum them up. 6 plus 5, 11. But this one's 7. So you definitely try 5 and 3. Negative on 2. The third step is this one's negative. You have to put the one of the negative. If this one positive, both positive or both negative, since this one's negative, one of the negative, if you negative here, it won't be correct. Okay, so you further write down 2, and you read the result in horizontal way, which is 5x plus 1, and then 3x minus 2, and you check it by multiplying. 3, 5, 15. This one minus 2, and 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, let us continue, okay? This one, how do we factor it? Okay, you put a cross. Okay, you put a 1 and 2 here. Now, listen. This one, it could be 1 and 12, the combination. It could be 2 and 6, or 3 and 4. But I want to tell you one thing is that the horizontal, the row no common. What means row no common? Which is, do you see that? For example, this 2 and 6. If your factor in the end is anything like this, listen, look at this. 2x minus 6 contain 2. These 2 should go into each term. But did you see that? This is 11. There's no greatest common. So it contradicts to the previous finding, which means the horizontal row, you shouldn't have the common factor. So 12 and 1, quite not possible. So therefore, 2 and 6, you don't even give a try. 6 and 2, 2 and 6. So therefore, there's only 3 and 4. But, if 3 and 4, 2 and 4 is contradicted again, so it must be 4 and 3. So this one leaves me no choice. It has to be like this. Check it out, 8 and 3. This one positive, then they both negative. So negative on both. See, minus 8, minus 3, minus 11. So what's the answer? Therefore, the answer is 1x minus 4, and then 2x minus 3, bracket. Then you got it. Okay. Okay. Row no common is the first one. Keep in mind. And then I show you the second principle that I found. It is like in this case. Can you pause this video clip? Get a pencil and paper. Try yourself. I give you 60 seconds. Okay. Now you put a cross. Okay, did you manage to do that? Okay. 7 is a prime number, so you factor 1 and 7. 24. What are you going to do? 124? That's quite not possible. How about 2 and 12? The answers, don't even give a try. Why not? Even 6 and 4, you don't give a try. I tell you why not. The reason is these two are even. Even times even is even. Even times even, even. Even plus even. It must be even. How in the heck the middle one could be odd? So therefore, color no even. A vertical color no even. If the center is odd, if you find out the center is odd, the center is odd number, the color one can never be both even. So therefore, I don't even give a try. The only possibility is that this one must be 8 and 3, but 8 up, 3 down, 56, quite far. So therefore, it is 3 and 8. Negative, this one positive, then this one negative, so they must be both negative. So therefore, the answer is 1x minus 3 and 7x minus 8. Check it. Minus 21 minus 8 minus 29, and it is perfect. Okay, welcome back. This one is 9y squared minus 24y plus 16. Okay, how much time you need to factor this one? The answer is 10 seconds. Try it, 10 seconds. Listen, grade 11 and the grade 12, if you didn't finish this one in 10 seconds, you basically fail. This guy is the suspect, perfect square, positive. So, as I told you in the past classes, this guy is a suspect, perfect square. This one plus or minus determine this one's minus. You take a root here, you square root it, you put it in here, which is 3y. You square root that, you put it in here, which is 4. Then you combine both. 3y times 4, but you double it. See, 12, double, which is 24. Bingo, it's the middle. Then therefore, you got it. This is a perfect square. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. However, this is not our case today. If this one 26, so pause the film. You try it. I give you 1 minute. Okay, you finish? Okay, now, guys, listen. Let me tell you. Did you manage to do that? Now, most students try 3 and 3. Listen, I tell you what. You shouldn't try 3 and 3. You shouldn't even start with this. Why not? Because my third principle is center. The center one should contain what? Should contain the greatest common, the common factor, common cross. The common factor in the cross product should go into the center. Okay, this one, let me explain. Supposedly, the answer indeed is 3 and 3. Now you factor 3 and 3. This one, who are they? That's not important. That's assuming it's 2 and 8. But in fact, you just assume it's A and B. 3a, now suppose the answer 3a minus 3b. Suppose this one's true. Then, if you factor a 3 out, you know the middle term should contain 3. It should be 3's multiple. 3's multiple and or subtract 3's multiple. It must be again 3 multiple, but it is not. So this one make us believe that this one must be 1 and 9. It can never be 3, both 3. So don't even try 3, 3. Now how about this? 16, so 4 and 4. Wait a second. If 4 and 4, how come this one does not contain 4? So don't give a try. 1 and 16, so therefore, it is 2 and 8. Think of it. 2 must be here. So negative on both. So therefore, it's 1y minus 2, 9y minus 8. Do not skip the equal sign in your homework bracket. Then you got it. Thank you.